Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an ice cream shop. First, you'll need a solid business plan. This plan should detail your concept, target market, and financial strategy. Securing funding is crucial. Many shops require an initial investment of at least $50,000. Next, find the perfect location. Look for areas with high foot traffic and good visibility to attract customers from day one. Once your plan is set, focus on the legal and operational aspects. Register your business and acquire all required health and food service permits. Then, invest in quality equipment like commercial freezers and ice cream machines, which can cost upwards of $10,000. Finally, secure dependable suppliers for your dairy, flavors, and toppings to ensure consistent product quality and customer satisfaction. Now for the fun part, your menu and brand. Create a diverse menu with classic flavors, unique creations, and perhaps some dairy-free options. Develop a compelling brand identity, including a catchy name and an inviting logo. Your shop's aesthetic should reflect your brand. Launch marketing efforts, perhaps using social media or local promotions, to generate excitement and draw in your first customers. With everything in place, it's time to prepare for your grand opening. Recruit and train a team that offers outstanding customer service, as this is key to repeat business. Plan an exciting grand opening event to create a memorable first impression. After opening, actively seek customer feedback to continuously improve your menu and service, ensuring long-term success and growth for your ice cream shop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.